Welcome to Hello World series. In the part of Maven series, today we are going to install Maven. So let's see how to install Maven in your local machine, which is Windows in our example. So you have to download Maven zip. It's not installable, it is zip, so you can simply download it and extract it. And you have to make sure that you have correct Java home setup. For example, if you're using Maven 339, then your Java home should point to Java 1.7 or above. After that, you have to set Maven home, which is called as m2 underscore home. And Maven uses default repository as your user ID, and then inside that .m2. So if you want to update it and you want to use your own repository path, then you can go to Maven Installation, Maven Home, then configuration folder conf and settings.xml. There you have to update local repository, and then we have to verify Maven installation. So let's go to Google and find out how can we download Maven zip file. So this is Apache Maven project site, and if you see you have all the downloading options here. It talks about system requirements. So it says that if you're using Maven 3.3, then it will require JDK 1.7 or above. Let's see what are the files available for download. As I'm using Windows, so let me download this zip file. So here I have extracted Apache Maven. You just need to make sure that whenever you are extracting any zip, generally you get two parent folders. So by default, when you extract, it will create one more parent folder as Apache Maven 339, and then inside that there will be one more, and inside that there will be one more folder called Apache Maven 339, and that will contain all your real files like bin, boot, conflib, and other files. So I made sure that I extract into only one parent folder, which is Apache Maven 339. But whichever case it may be, whenever you're setting m2 underscore home, you should make sure that m2 underscore home should point to this area. So let me set up m2 underscore home. Let me create a new variable, which is m2 underscore home. This is the path which I had copied from my installation directory. Let's verify whether it is set appropriately or not. It is set up correctly because it is showing my correct installation. Now let's verify what is the Java home I am using. It should be 1.7 or above. Good. So it is pointing to JDK 8. Now we have to verify Maven installation. So to verify Maven installation, we have a command. Mvn is a command for this is a single command for Maven, and then all other things are options. So I have version option, which can tell me what's the version I've installed. So once you see the output of mvn command -- version, it means that you have installed Apache Maven successfully. So it shows that Apache Maven 339 is my version. This is my home. JDK is 1.8, which is more than 1.7. Java home is pointing to JDK 8, and I'm using English US language as a default locale, and my OS is Windows 7. So this is all information coming from Maven. So it shows that we have installed Maven successfully into our machine, which is Windows, and we are good to go for experimenting with Maven, like project creation or doing all other cool stuff with Maven, which we already talked in our introduction. So all those and rest of the things we are going to talk in our subsequent videos. Till then, bye bye and thank you.